fighters, it's another fighting and amazing day to all. It's your boy Jepoy and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I just want to share my dinner and coffee experience here at Mug and Beans Coffee and Restaurant. And gusto ko din maghatid ng day of good vibes na ginagawa namin tuwing day off namin as OFW here abroad. So ayun nga, as OFW here na kami naman ang nagtatrabaho, sometimes pwede naman natin or ibigay natin sa sarili natin ang self-reward or sometimes mag-unwind, magwalwal or konting celebration para sa ating mga sarili. Huwag naman tayo puro work. Sometimes, mag-self-reward din tayo kapag may time paminsan-minsan sa ating mga sarili. Ito kasi ang isang way na nagpapasaya at nagtatanggal ng aming lungkot at stress-free tuwing aming day off. Well, marami naman tayo at kanya-kanyang paraan para mapasaya at magtanggal ng stress na nararamdaman natin dito as OFW. And yun nga sa akin, isa sa pinaka-effective way para magtanggal ng aking stress ay ang mamasyal at mag-food trip sa kung anumang restaurant na gusto ko that day. At ito nga guys, napadpad ako dito sa Alcott Mall at dinayo ko ang isa sa paborito kong coffee and restaurant which is ang Mug and Bean. So guys, hayaan nyo ako at samahan nyo akong busugin ng inyong mata sa masasarap na pagkain at coffee experience dito sa restaurant na Mug and Bean. So for my dinners tonight, I decided to order yung steak set meal nila. So meron na itong kasama na beef and chicken steak, bacon strips, and potato wedges. And syempre may kasama rin siyang on the side na special sauce which is the steak sauce and this ketchup. And for my drinks, I decided to order my favorite na drinks dito sa Kuwait which is lemon with mint juice. Aside kasi sa napakarami at healthy benefits ng juice na ito, dahil heavy meal ang kakainin natin ngayon, nakakatanggal din kasi ito ng busog at umay after mo kumain. So, let's eat at itry ang kanilang mga steak. Okay, so dagdagan natin ng salt and pepper na desired mo. At dahil syempre Pinoy tayo, I will go for a well done steak. So lutong-luto siya for me. Dahil nga well done, hindi na siya ganoon ka-juicy. But in fairness to their steak, masarap po siya at malambot. Then masarap din at juicy ang kanilang chicken steak at bacon strips. Oh, ayan na nga, diba? As an evidence, hindi ko naman mauubos yan for sure kung hindi ko bet at hindi masarap ang mga pagkain na inihain nila sa akin dito sa Mug and Bean. So, I am done eating my dinner. At ito na nga, I am done with my last piece of my potato wedges. Napakasarap na meal po for tonight. Thank you Lord sa mga biyaya at masarap na food na kinakain ko for tonight. At ito nga for the lemon and mint juice. Isa ito sa napaka-healthy at isang favorite kong drink dito sa Kuwait. Ang lasa kasi ng lemon and mint guys, napaka-equally blend ng asim ng kanyang lemon with sugar at binalanse rin ng lemon mint leaves. So, ito talaga ang number 1 na favorite kong ino-order na drinks dito sa Kuwait. So, what else can you ask for? Diba? Perfect na food for dinner tonight, plus napakaganda na ambience at surrounding with this beautiful and amazing dancing fountain at my back. So talagang nakaka-relax at nakaka-recharge ng good mood tuwing day off mo. Thank you, Lord. And it is a perfect place as well para magmuni-muni kayo at makapag-isip-isip at alone time. And here we go, coffee time. After ng heavy meal for my dinner, deserve ko rin naman ang mag-coffee after. So, ayun na nga, I decided to order this isa sa pinaka-paborito kong flavor na kape dito, which is the Cafe Mocha. So, ikaw na lang yung mag-a-adjust ng timpla ng gusto mong sugar. It's either meron silang white sugar, sweet and low, brown sugar, para sa iyong coffee. Then, halo-halo and mix well para ma-dissolve ang lahat ng sugar na nilagay mo sa iyong coffee. Yung coffee din nila is foamy. And napakaganda rin ng presentation ng kanilang mug. Special mug yan, guys. And here we go, coffee time na, unang higop para sa inyo po, guys. In fairness, napakasarap, creamy, and lasang-lasa mo talaga yung pagka-blend ng coffee and mocha. So it is a perfect combination as well ng kind of coffee dito sa Mug and Bean. Actually, guys, this is my third time to be in restaurant. So I would highly recommend this restaurant as your perfect alone time and get away place. So that's it for tonight video, guys. Maraming salamat uli. Keep safe everyone.